So let me tell you a little bit about the paint journey. You might wonder why I call it a journey. It's called a journey because as you paint, you will feel the fluidness of the paint. You will love the vibrant colors that you choose, and just holding a brush in your hand can make you feel alive.
I found out about this class through Sharon, and she explained to me that it doesn't matter how creative you think you are or you're not, that your creativity will come out. The first time I took the class, I was really surprised because I felt like I couldn't paint anything, but it really brought out emotions that I didn't know, and my painting actually, you could apply the painting to what was going on in your life.
We talked a lot about the power of our own personal intuition. We all participated in very simple meditation.
It was just an incredible release. I just kind of stood in front of it, and colors and paint and ideas started flowing. It was like a evolution of what I was feeling, and this amazing picture blossomed out, and it was astonishing to see and then to interpret what it was.
I mean, I really got excited about it, and then after going through the first exercise and seeing other people, you really just kind of relax, and you find just this peaceful zone, and you really just get into it.
It's not about art. It's about the process of painting and letting that painting tap deeply within you. So if you're looking for something that can help you express yourself creatively, emotionally, and spiritually, give the paint journey a try. It's a weekend you'll never forget.